In this video, you'll learn how to send, receive, schedule, and manage messages across multiple channels using DMLY's REST API. The Messages API allows developers to integrate messaging directly into their own applications, websites, CRMs, and backend systems. With the DMLY Messages API, you can send messages through WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and Telegram, all from a single platform. This makes it easy to automate customer communication, send transactional notifications, deliver media files, schedule messages, and manage outreach campaigns. API Base URL. All messages, API requests use the following API host. Every endpoint you'll see in this tutorial is built on top of this base URL. Authentication. Before making any API request, you'll need a valid API key. Every request must include the XAPI key header. You can generate an API key from Integrations, REST API, then Edit Setup. Once generated, keep your API key secure and never expose it in front-end applications. Important message rules. Before sending messages, there are a few important rules to understand. For WhatsApp messages, you must send to either an existing contact or a phone number. You can provide a contact ID if the recipient already exists in your DMLY workspace, or you can provide a phone number directly using the recipient object. However, you cannot send both contact and recipient in the same request. Every message request must also include a workspace ID. This tells DMLY which workspace should send the message. You can also schedule messages for future delivery by providing a scheduled date and time. Supported messaging channels. The Messages API supports multiple communication channels. For WhatsApp, you can send text messages, media messages, and template messages. For Facebook Messenger, you can send text messages, media messages, and structured template messages. For Instagram, you can send text messages and template messages. For Telegram, you can send template-based messages with buttons. Sending text messages. The most common use case is sending text messages. A typical request includes a contact ID, workspace ID, and the message content. Once submitted successfully, DMLY routes the message through the selected channel and tracks delivery status. Sending WhatsApp messages. For WhatsApp, you can send messages either to an existing contact or directly to a phone number. This is useful when sending appointment reminders, order updates, support responses, or customer notifications. If you're messaging someone outside the standard WhatsApp conversation window, you'll typically need to use an approved WhatsApp template. Sending media messages. The Messages API also supports media delivery. You can send images, documents, and files by providing a media URL and MIME type. DMLY retrieves the file and delivers it through supported messaging channels. This is ideal for invoices, receipts, product catalogs, guides, and promotional assets. Let's break down the structure of a WhatsApp template message request. The payload requires three main components. Inside the contact and recipient objects, you'll specify the unique contact ID and the destination phone number. The workspace object ensures the message is routed through the correct environment using your workspace ID. Lastly, the template field takes the string identifier of your pre-approved WhatsApp template. Together, this data tells the API exactly who is receiving the message, where it's coming from, and what it should say. Scheduling messages. Sometimes you don't want messages delivered immediately. The Messages API allows you to schedule messages by providing a future date and time. This is useful for API response format. After a message is submitted, the API returns a response object. This response includes a unique message ID, a status field, and an error field. The status indicates whether the request was successful. If a problem occurs, the error field provides information that can help with troubleshooting. Best practices. Validate inputs before sending. Always validate contact IDs, workspace IDs, and phone numbers before sending requests. Keep your eyes on the radar. Always log delivery statuses and errors in real time so you can troubleshoot issues instantly and keep workflows moving. Prioritize contacts over raw numbers. Routing messages through established contacts ensures cleaner tracking and flawless history continuity right inside your unified inbox. Use templates appropriately, especially for WhatsApp outreach or when outside the allowed messaging window. Finally, schedule responsibly. Avoid bursts. Spread sends to reduce rate limit risk. Common issues and fixes encountering a 401/403 unauthorized error. This usually means a missing or invalid X API key. Double-check your authentication credentials to restore access. If your WhatsApp request is rejected, look at your payload formatting. A common mistake is that you sent both contact and recipient. Make sure to send only one to clear the conflict. When a message is not delivered, the issue typically stems from a channel disconnected, recipient unavailable, or template not approved for WhatsApp. To resolve this, check connection status in integrations and reconnect if needed, and verify that your template has been greenlit. Conclusion: the DMLY Messages API makes it easy to build powerful messaging workflows across WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and Telegram. Whether you're sending notifications, media files, template messages, or scheduled communications, the API gives you complete control through a simple and consistent interface. For more API tutorials, integration guides, and developer resources, be sure to explore the rest of the DMLY documentation. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.